Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. Cordless vacuums are like the thing right now. So I've got to tell you about this Dyson V7 Animal. So I am super into these vacuums that don't require a bag. I really like that I don't have to worry about buying or changing out the bag. This has a very easy release. You just put it over your trash can and let it all out, and then you're good to go. So I love that feature. Also, the fact that it's cordless is great. You just hang it up on the charger and it's ready to go for you whenever you need it. And all of these pieces detach and reattach so easily with not a lot of effort. So I think that's really convenient. Also, the head has a lot of movability, so you can really maneuver and turn wherever you need to go in your home. So I like that feature as well. Overall, I think this is a great vacuum and I hope that you'll enjoy using it as well. And that's my point of view.